This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting in Coreldraw with the goal of restoring the menu bar. First, open Coreldraw and verify the exact version and current workspace. Once done, close any floating dockers so you can see the interface clearly. This prevents hidden overlapping elements. Now back up your workspace by exporting or noting its name, because you'll toggle workspaces and reset UI elements. Make sure you have administrator rights if the app was installed system-wide. Then move to Workspace Options to restore menus. Next, open Tools, Options, and navigate to Workspace Customization. You'll find command bars or menu bar settings. Enable the menu bar checkbox and apply changes. If the checkbox is disabled, use Reset Workspace to restore default toolbars and menus. This often fixes corruption. Once applied, restart Coreldraw to let changes take effect. If that fails, import a previously exported workspace file or switch to another built-in workspace name, because corrupted workspace files commonly hide menu elements. For final steps, if the menu bar is still missing, run the installer's repair option or reinstall Coreldraw. This replaces corrupted UI files. Alternatively, close the program and rename the user workspace file in your app data or program data so the app creates a fresh default workspace on launch. Make sure display scaling isn't hiding the bar. Set 100% temporarily. Troubleshooting tip: if nothing else works, disable third-party macros or add-ins and repeat the reset, because extensions often override.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.